बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आप देख रहे हैं स्टडी विजडम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फ्रेजल वर्ब लिस्ट। नंबर 1, अबाइड बाय, मीनिंग एक्सेप्ट और फॉलो अ डिसीजन और रूल। एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव टू अबाइड बाय व्हाट द कोर्ट से। Number 2, aim at, meaning to target. Example, the magazine is aimed at teenagers. Number 3, add up to, meaning come to a certain amount or figure. Example, the total cost add up to several millions yours. Number 4, bail out, meaning remove water from something that is flooded. Example, the boat was leaking, so they had to bail it out. Number 5, bang about, meaning move in a place making a lot of noise. Example, he's banging about in the kitchen. Number 6, be away, be elsewhere on holiday, etc. Example, she away on business for 3 weeks. Number 7, cart off, meaning take someone away, usually under arrest, to prison. Example, the police carted them off to question them. Number 8, catch up with. Example, meaning do something that should have been done earlier. Example, he is banging about in the kitchen. Number 9, cheer up, meaning be less unhappy. Example, come on, cheer up, it is not all bad, you know. Number 10, dig into, meaning reach inside to get something. Example, she dug into her handbag and pulled out a bunch of keys. Number 11, draw even, meaning equalize one's competitive position. Example, the exhausted horse drew even at the finish line. Number 12, dwell upon, meaning spend a lot of time on something. Example, she dwelled upon the economic situation in her speech. Number 13, itch up, meaning approach slowly. Example, she itched up behind the bus at the red light. Number 14, empty out, meaning empty something completely. Example, I must empty out the rubbish before I leave for work. Number 15, end in, meaning finish a certain way. Example, it will end in tears. Number 16, face off, meaning confront. Example, the company faced off the competition. Number 15, fall behind, make less progress. Example, I was ill for a week and feel behind with my work. Number 16, fence in, enclose an area. Example, they fenced the whole garden in. Number 17, go ahead, meaning processed. Example, ahead despite the protest from environmentalists. Number 18, go forth, leave a place. Example, he went forth and found a wife in another city. Number 18, grind on, process relentlessly. Example, the war ground on for years. Number 19, have off, meaning take time off work. Example, I had a couple of days off last week to relax. Number 20, hold against, meaning have a grudge against someone or little respect. Example, he was very rude, but I won't hold it against him. Number 21, hook up, meaning meet someone. Example, we hooked up at the conference. Number 23, iron out, meaning remove small problems or irregularities. Example, the management them ignored out the tax problems before they gave the project the okay. Number 23, issue forth, meaning come out of a place. Example, new initiative issue force from the government on a daily basis. Number 24. Jump on, criticize, attack. Example, everyone jumped on me when I raised the issue. Number 25. Jack up, meaning increase sharply. Example, they have jacked up the price of oil this month. Number 26. Jump at, accept eagerly. Example, I did jump at the chance to go and live in Pakistan. Number 27. Keel over, meaning fall to the ground. Example, the drunk keeled over when trying to leave the pub. Number 28. Keep off, meaning not talk about. Example, she kept off the subject of her divorce. Number 29. Key to, meaning plan thing to fit or suit people or situation. Example, promotion are key to people abilities. Number 29. Latch on, meaning understand often after a long time. Example, they were laying but it took her age to latch on. Number 30. Lay down, kill, murder. Example, he got laid down in a turf war about supplying drugs. Number 32. Light up, meaning light or start smoking a cigarette. Example, Asif lit up as soon as he got out of the building. Number 33. Make out, meaning be able to see or hear something. Example, can you make out what she's saying? Number 34. Mount up, meaning increase over time. Example, he depth mounted up while I was at university. Number 36. Mug up, meaning study quickly, revise. Example, I have to mug up before the exam. Number 37. Need out, meaning play safe and avoid taking a risk. Example, I am going to need out and not go on the river trip. Number 38. Nose out, meaning narrowly beat someone. Example, the other candidate nosed him out by a few votes. Number 39. Nip off, meaning go somewhere quickly. Example, I am nipping off to get some milk. Number 41. All to, meaning be the reason for something. Example, she owes for her success to hard work and determination. Number 42. Open up, meaning start to talk freely about something. Example, she hates to open up and discuss her feeling. Number 33. Opt into, meaning choose to be a member or part of something. Example, I opted into the scheme. Number 44. Queer up, meaning mess up, ruin. Example, I quit the exam up. Number 45. Quiet on, stop working or functioning. Example, the phone has quiet on me, can I borrow yours? Number 46. Race off, hurry away, leap somewhere quickly. Example, they raced off when the police arrived. Number 47. Rake up, meaning damage. Example, they raked up the car in an accident. Number 48. Ramble on, talk at length into getting on the point. Example, quiet rambling on, I am tired of listening to you. Number 48. Reel in, catch a fish on a line and pull the line to land. Example, he reeled in a 10-pound salmon. Number 49. See about, meaning see about. Example, I will see about where we can manage it. Number 50. Show over, meaning take someone around a site. Example, he showed us over the scene of the accident. Number 51. Sort out, meaning resolve a problem. Example, has the film sorted out its tax problems yet? Number 52. Tail off, meaning become silent or inaudible. Example, the voice tailed off when she entered. Number 53. Tear into, meaning criticize strongly or angrily. Example, she tore into me for losing it. Number 54. Turn up, meaning appear. Example, she did not turn up for class today. Number 55, urge on, meaning encourage. Example, the crowd urged the players on. Number 56, use up, meaning finish or consume all of something. Example, we used up all the olive oil. Number 57, usual in, meaning be at, mark or celebrate an important point in time. Example, we always give a party usual in the new year. Number 59, vacuum up, meaning consume. Example, we vacuum up all of the food. Number 60, vamp up, meaning invent, maker up, improvise. Example, I had a vamp up a reason for being so late. Number 61, veg out, meaning relax, do nothing. Example, I am going to veg out in front of the TV tonight. Number 62, wipe out, meaning kill all of a population, make extinct. Example, a meteor crashing into the planet wiped the dinosaur out. Number 63, work over, meaning assault, beat up. Example, they worked him over and robbed him. Number 63, write up, make complete written version. Example, I wrote up the report and submitted it. Number 63, yak on, meaning talk continuously, especially if it is an annoying way. Example, he yacked on for an hour. Number 65, yield to, meaning surrounding. Example, I tried hard to resist, but in the end I yielded to temptation and ate it all. Number 66, zip by, meaning pass quickly. Example, the motorbike zipped by the car stuck in the traffic jam. Number 66, zoom in, meaning focus more closely. Example, the camera zoomed in a show people faces. Number 67, zoom out, focus less closely. Example, the camera zoom out to show all the crowded. Number 68, zone out, meaning not pay attention. Example, she zoned out during the lecture because it was so boring.